cracking? What's going on? So I pretty much wanted to tell you guys about something that has happened that's very life-changing, and I'm extremely excited about it. I decided to come outside and record it because it's so beautiful out here, you know. So but it's life-changing, and I've been waiting for it for so long, and it's like I will finally have my family that I've always yearned for, that I've always had a deep desire for, you know. So I'm super excited. But first, before I tell you guys, please make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. So yeah, peace and love, and I hope you guys are happy for me just as much as I'm happy for myself. Boy. Hey, baby. Hi. Hey, mommy's princess.
This one's cute though, it's simple and
Yeah. So cute. Amor.
bitch, I wanna sleep. Okay, so
She's so tired.
she looks cute.
Don't mind my energy. How do you just fall asleep?